Hey, and welcome back to a new video. My name is Tugay and today we will do an unboxing of the 4K SignageBox. So let's get started. The first thing that we will see after opening the box is a quick start guide. Here you will find on the left side the listed slots and accessories, and on the right you will find a quick setup guide. If you're interested in how to set up the 4K SignageBox, I suggest you to watch the video linked in the description. The next object is the aluminum-made 4K SignageBox. And as you can see, the ports are on two different sides. On the one side, we have the Wi-Fi antenna, the power, a USB slot, HDMI, Ethernet and SPDIF. On the other side we have a micro SD slot, two other USB slots and a micro USB slot. Of course there's more than this device in this box, so let's dig in further. We have a power supply with three different adapters, a HDMI cable, USB to micro USB, a remote control and two supplied batteries. That's the unboxing part, and in the next part we will have a closer look at the device. Let's talk about the ports for a second. Thanks to the antenna, you have a pretty strong internet connection, and if you want to go even faster, you have the possibility to use Ethernet. You can connect to 2 or 5 GHz networks. Your internal storage is 16 GB, of which around 12 are ready to use. If you want to expand that storage, you can do that by adding a USB stick or micro SD card. These USB slots are also great for adding a keyboard or mouse, for example. Our device does use a 2 GB memory, an octa-core Cortex-A53 processor and a high-performance GPU, so it can display content in a resolution up to 4K. For more technical information, you can visit our homepage, which will be linked in the description, and there you can also purchase this product for $240. If you have any questions left, you can ask us in the comments. And that's it for now. See you soon.